Hey guys, today I got a check engine light on my truck, and I did a diagnosis on it, and it said the camshaft positioning sensor was the one that was failing. So it's pretty easy to replace. It's just one bolt. I think it's 10 millimeter. Remove it and put it back in there. So this one, I was looking around, see where it was. It's right where the oil pan is. You see right there where the oil pan is? It's right there. But then just go straight up and it's right over there. It's right in there. Let me see if I can get a light in there. Check it out. So here we are. We're going to spray with some lube in there. That way it's easier for us to remove. That's it for a little while and we'll take care of it. So here we are, guys. It's right here that where the bolt for the draining the oil is. So you just go straight up and right there. That's the sensor, the camshaft sensor. And that's the one I'm going to replace right now. So let's see if we can take care of it. All right, guys, I got that sensor out, but I got a bigger issue. I was pulling it out and I broke that damn screw. Yeah, it sucks. I did put too much pressure on it and it snapped right in half. So now I gotta see how I can get that screw out of there. All right, let's let you guys know how it goes. Well, guys, I finally changed that crankshaft sensor. I finally took it out, and the bolt that I broke, this was the only way I could get it out. I had to weld a washer on it and then weld a bolt out so I can pull it out. So finally it's out. I switch it out. So that was done. Like I said, it was for a 2005 Dodge Ram 2500. That was the changing of the crankshaft sensor under there. All right, thanks. Bye.